Hey guys, how's it going? It's Rob Sutton, and I did something a couple of months ago that I normally never recommend anyone do, and I got impatient, went ahead and bought an Apple Watch Ultra 1, fully knowing that the Apple Watch 2 of the Ultra version was coming out in a couple of months. But here's why. So as you guys already know, they did release the Apple Watch Ultra 2 a couple weeks ago, and the main difference between the two is going from the S8 chip to the S9 chip. Yes, you get 1,000 more nits of brightness in the screen. Yes, you get to control with your thumb and finger, which I don't know how many people are actually going to use. But overall, you do get on-device Siri capable of confidential and secure health data and retrieval, a 4-core neural engine that's 2 times faster for machine learning, 25% better dictation, and a new wideband chip that makes it more precise when you're locating other Apple devices like your iPhone. So what does this mean for the Apple Watch Ultra? One, you get the same price for the same watch with the same design and the same overall features. Yes, that new chip brings a couple little things like I just said before, but overall this looks more like an Apple Watch version 1.5, not an Apple Watch Ultra 2, which also makes a refurb or a discounted version of the Apple Watch Ultra 1 a really good value right now. And that begs the question of where we are in the tech industry right now, and the reason that I didn't really care about buying an Apple Watch Ultra 1 when I knew the 2 was coming out shortly thereafter. Just like I don't feel any FOMO from getting the 1 a couple months earlier than the 2, because those little incremental upgrades like being able to control it with your fingers really aren't that important to me. There isn't anything that's really enticing about the watch that makes you want to drop the one you currently have and upgrade to the next. So where we really are with the tech industry right now is the hardware has really outpaced the software in a lot of ways. So what we're really waiting on is the software and technology to come up to what the hardware is actually capable of. I mean, we have TVs out there right now that can do 8K and above, but there's nothing to actually even play on them. Where there used to be these big jumps and you would want to wait until the next model came out. So you're going from 1080p to 4K or 4K to 8K, or you're going from 4G to 5G. There were all kinds of technologies that were getting released that really made it worth it to be patient and wait for that next model run. So most of the new models coming out, like the Apple Watch Ultra, really aren't even worthy of having that full version jump in a number. This is really more of a version 1.5 or 1.25 for that matter, versus a version 2 of the product. You're getting the exact same product with very incremental little adjustments versus an entirely new model that they're introducing at these big keynotes. So when it comes down to the next big thing, it really isn't that big. So really the better advice right now is to actually just buy it when you need it. There's no longer that, oh, it's going to be upgraded in 3 months. I might as well just be patient and get through it. Right now, it's just go ahead and get it, because those incremental updates are not those big jumps forward that we're used to seeing in the past. All right, guys, so I want to hear what you think. Hit up the comment section below. Let me know what you think about tech overall and whether it is worth waiting to buy anymore like it was in the past. I want to hear what you have to say. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to Rob Sutton for more reviews like this in the future. And until then, on to the next one. Thanks, guys. See ya.